Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make McDonald's special sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back and thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor. Go down to that corner there and hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, if you grew up in the 70s, you remember that little jingle on that commercial, 2 all-beef patty special sauce, those cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. This is that sauce. It's the one they put on their Big Mac. Let's head into the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. We got a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of French dressing, 4 teaspoons of sweet pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of finely minced white onion, a teaspoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of granulated sugar, and 1/8 of a teaspoon salt. Let's mix this up. Alright, as always, when you're making something, you want to make sure you got a big enough bowl to hold all the contents and then enough room for you to stir. So we're just going to go ahead and add all of our ingredients to this and mix it up. Let's go ahead and start with our mayonnaise, sweet relish, diced and minced onion, vinegar, French dressing, sugar, and the salt. Mix it all up. So there you go. This does look like the sauce that I get on my Big Mac. So thanks a lot for watching. McDonald's special sauce. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and share this channel and this video. Take care of yourselves.